And China is stepping up efforts to cut its dependence on American farm products amid an escalating trade war, canceling record levels of U.S. pork imports and shifting its source to other countries. The move signals a broader strategy to minimize exposure to U.S. agriculture goods as tensions continue to rise. Last week, Chinese buyers pulled back 12,030 metric tons of pork orders from U.S., marking the largest cancellation since May 2020. The decision comes as tariffs between the two nations reach historic highs, effectively pricing out American producers from one of their most lucrative markets. U.S. farmers, particularly in traditionally Republican-leaning states, are likely to feel the economic squeeze, with ripple effects expected across broader agriculture sectors. Pork futures in the U.S. have already taken a hit, with prices falling readily for contracts stretching from mid-2025 into 2026. The elevated Chinese tariffs, now at a staggering 172% on U.S. pork, have made American products largely uncompetitive compared to alternatives from Spain, Brazil, Chile, the Netherlands, and Canada, which have increasingly filled China's demand for pork. Now, the retreat from U.S. agriculture imports is not limited to pork. China has imposed additional duties on a wide range of American farm goods, including poultry, wheat, corn, cotton, beef, soybeans, and dairy products. Since the initial wave of tariffs during the first phase of the U.S.-China trade tensions in 2018, American farmers have seen their market share erode across key export categories. Brazil has now overtaken the U.S. as China's leading soybean supplier, while beef imports have shifted towards Argentina and Australia. This diversification strategy highlights China's determination to isolate itself from U.S. pressure by broadening its supply chains and investing in domestic production capabilities. Although China still relies on food imports to meet the needs of its massive population, officials are pushing for greater self-sufficiency, confident that the country can withstand reduced access to American products without major disruptions. As the trade battle drags on, American farmers find themselves caught in the crossfire, facing mounting challenges in one of their most dependable export markets. With no signs of de-escalation, the agriculture fallout from the standoff could deepen, impacting rural economies across the United States.